Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox the Tenda Mini 11-in wireless USB adapter. I got this at Macro Center for $24.99. Before moving forward with this video, this product that I'm showcasing here is very old, like more than 10 years old. With that being said, as you can see here on the corner, this mini USB adapter is designed for Windows XP, certified for Windows Vista, and compatible with Windows 7. And if you're watching this in 2017, I don't think it could work with Windows 10. But if you're still using a Windows Vista or Windows XP for some reason, this is the USB wireless USB adapter that you need to access the internet, because you need this wireless USB adapter because back in the day, some models of your PC or laptop does not have a wireless adapter, so you need to go out and buy this type of adapter if you want to get internet access to your computer or laptop. So 10 years, what a huge difference it makes. So today we're going to unbox this thing and check out what's inside. Before we do, let's take a look around the box. Here on the front of the box, you can see this is a model number W311U. This is compatible with BGNN Wi-Fi, wireless N, and all that stuff. And you can pause the video if you want to read the details on about this product below of the box. And let's check out the side of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the package contents, which has one W311U 11N wireless USB adapter, one software CD, including the user guide and setup wizard. This has here are the requirements to run this device on your PC or laptop: 733 MHz CPU, 64 MB memory, CD-ROM drive, and a Windows 2000 or higher. So, wow. Nowadays, PCs and computers has like 8 GB memory and a higher CPU. But that said, let's check out the other side of the box, which comes with installation steps. So here are the installation steps. So please insert the wireless USB adapter into a USB port of your computer. It shows the diagrams on how to do it. So please insert the included software CD into the CD drive of your computer. Easily configure your wireless USB adapter using the included software. So this does have software that you need to install. So here's technical support. Here's their number and contact information. And let's take a look on the back side of the box. The back side of the box says the product description and product features. So you can pause the video if you want to read this for yourself. And below it is a diagram of an application on how this thing works. So if you have a laptop or PC that does not have wireless adapter and you plan on buying this, is how this works. So once you install the software with the USB stick, wireless stick, this would connect to your router, which connects to the internet. So that's how you get internet to your PC or laptop, if your PC or laptop does not have the wireless adapters, such as this one back in the day. So with that being said, let's finally unbox this thing. So once we unbox this thing, here we have the USB wireless adapter. Comes in a case, and I think below this is here's more. I think this is important to disable the W311U or whatever adapter. Let Windows manage your Wi-Fi, and let Windows manage connection, and yeah. So pause the video if you want to read that part. I'm not going to read it for myself. Here's technical support. I think we already went over this on the box. And here is the disc. And the main feature of the product and what you're here for is the USB drive. I'm trying to take it out. See, it's stuck in there very well. There we go. Let me clear the packaging. And here's the USB drive. So, made in China. Pretty simple USB drive. It's just like any other flash drive out there, and yeah. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos, and thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next episode.